What I have here is this 95 Ford pickup truck, and I need to put eyebolts in the bed here because I need to carry some dirt and things like that need a tarp. So instead of buying those inserts that just go in here and pop in here, what I'm going to do is the opposite. I am going to put these eyebolts in here, drill a hole and screw these in. So I'll put one here and here and here, one in the center, and then 1, 2, 3 on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'll just use a center punch and punch these and drill these holes and then just bolt these in here. And these are only, I don't know, $1.50 or something. They're not very much, you know, versus the other inserts. They get a little more expensive. Okay, so if I go here, put my finger around, I see that there's single metal here. So if I put one right here, and I'll just use this center punch, start myself a little dent, and that way I can drill the hole right through there. 3/16 drill. I'm going to drill a pilot hole here first. Okay, then I'll come back with a 3/8 drill. Okay, we know it's the right size because we matched the drill up to the bolt. So now that we got a pilot hole, let's drill the bigger one. Okay, that's through. Alright, and then we have a washer, flat washer, okay, there's a lock washer. Put the nut on. Carefully do it so it doesn't drop through. Now we'll just tighten it up. Okay, so this happens to be a 9/16. And there we go. One down. Alright, the hole in the side. Let's peel over here. Looks like we got plenty of room. Here's our center punch. Here's our 3/16 drill. Tighten it up. Washer. There's a lock washer on the bottom. There we go. That's two. With the hole drilled, I just put on a couple washers on the bottom, put the lock washer, put the nut on there, go. Alright, now we're going to just put one right here in the center. Here we go. So we'll put the bigger drill in. Now the reason I put one in here is because if I'm tying a tarp down, it's going from the side to side, at least I have one to go through the center here so that the air doesn't get underneath that tarp and yank it up. It looks like we're going to need a longer bolt for this one. Alright, so we have to put this one in. So we'll line it up with the other one. That is a little more trickier. Next one on. Put the lock washer on. Now let's see if we can put the nut on. Rather dropping down. Okay, just got lucky. All right. Okay, so what we have is we have one here. We have in the center, the front, a longer eye bolt for that one. You'll see there's front, middle, and rear. So, just for a couple bucks, we have them all done. And it took longer to video than it did to just install it if I wasn't taping it. So, that's a different way instead of buying these inserts, the cheaper way. So what I'm going to use this for is basically a canvas. So I'm going to put a rope from here to over there, there, through there, and here, and that way none of the stuff that I carry here will blow away. That's it.